In today's video, let's talk about how to use Goodreads AI to find your next book. Now, this can be done through a few different methods. The first way that you can use AI to recommend you books is through your past read section. So you can simply give a rating of all of the books that you read previously inside of Goodreads. So you simply want to head over to the My Book section, head over to Reads, simply select the book, and if you have not yet added in a rating, make sure you do. This is one way that Goodreads AI recommends you books based upon the ratings that you made in. So this is the first way. The second way is to build your want to read shelf. So what you can simply do is head over to the My Books option, head over to want to read, and then simply add in books that you are interested in. This way as well, depending upon the books that you select, Goodreads is going to recommend you books that are based on your interest. And lastly, what you can also do is head over to the Discover section and then simply interact with the books that you are interested in. Also head over to the Show More list and then take a look at all of the genres that you are interested in. Let's say you are interested in historical fiction, and if you interact with these lists or this genre, all of these genres are going to be recommended more often. So by following these few steps, you'll be able to use Goodreads AI to find your next book. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.